As I was getting older, I was experiencing some of the traditional things that happen to teeth as far as acid and some thinning, and I talked to some of the people that had it done and had a heart-to-heart with Dr. Sohl and felt it was the right thing to do. It was kind of a gift to me at that stage of life. It was about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago. I chose to have full mouth restoration. I also didn't want it to be a major change. I wanted it to be as natural of an enhancement as possible. The lab that Dr. Sohl uses has a great reputation, and that's a very big deal as far as the quality of the procedure, the process, the fabrication. They take imprints, and so that gave me a lot of confidence knowing that it was probably an elite lab experience that's connected to the practice. Well, now that this is done and I've experienced the change, I don't shy away from expressing myself. Previously, I did. I was kind of like, I had a smaller moments of smiling, but now I feel that it's very much more me, because I am an outgoing person. I enjoy the public and my professional relationships, and I think it's just made me more. You use the word confident, but it's not just that. It's just a comfort level that kind of is with you, and so that for me, that's how I felt after